Sumingaanniallартиссанерлунга налулериааккуунарсуас мисилиитсигиннартисуараа No, Outlastissуungulлумиккуут Outlast-мунуулаариар кисамеерсарissусааққиппоо алукутикаллуатуутаарпаан 3D-смилаасан тикаллуатти Outlast DLC DLC-таайна мисилинниарпараа массаккуут томналами нормаал канориккумаасалерпус пилиаллартиннариаавоорс пилли массаккуингерласуссақанориккумаассанер
You don't have to wake up, but open your eyes. What's the matter? Somebody hit you? Here, let me help.
Andrew, you getting these alerts?
Kind of busy here.
It sounds like real trouble. At the engine, they said Hope made a lateral ascension.
What do we hope? They're not happy about it?
No.
Shit. Shit. Come on.
Sigisiiluaa ottoa. Sukkitilakko. Minä ongittumeeqiviartaa tää sukkasooi.
Park. They've paged for you 3 times already. There's something urgent at the engine. What are you doing in here anyway? I thought you were just a software guy.
Report to morphogenic engine monitoring immediately. Wayland Park to ME.
We're not being given enough information to trust Renicke's predictions.
He's been right so far.
Outlast yun nang madawa po yung
Wayland Park, aren't you? Why weren't you answering the page? I'll tell them you're incoming.
What's up? Nengurang madala tokchillassuariru taawallaarunnii.
Christ, Wayland, hurry up. They're waiting on you.
Cutting it close. Next patient's incoming and arterial spin still dark. We need you at the front terminal.
Well, what's now? They've got Gluskin out of his cell. Park. Finally. Where have you been? Functional imaging interface isn't talking to the ASL. We got a patient 30 seconds out and we're blind inside his head.
Call into the chamber. Ask them to delay.
No. I don't need another performance evaluation. Mr. Park here is gonna have us up and running before we even know it. Right, Mr. Park? Are we happy, Mr. Park?
Steve? fMRI is still dark.
You're doubting our friend, Mr. Wayland Park? Which I consider more than unkind to his programming skill and considerable dedication to the Murkoff Corporation. Fuck me, they're bringing him in.
No! No, not again! No, no!
Bye.
I know what you've been doing! Help! Help! Help me! They're gonna rape me! Ray! Ray! Help me! Don't let them do this! Don't let them! You! I know you can stop this! You have to help me! You have to!
Hey, calm yourself. This is a high security...
It's all right, Agent. Mr. Park was just surprised. I'm sure he's still calm and eager to finish his work. Take your seat. Quickly, Mr. Park. Head will need to roll if the fusion monitoring is not active when we put him in the engine. 5 seconds. 4, 3.
Arterial spin labeling is back online.
Good then.
Positioning imaging plates.
You're finished, Mr. Wayland Park. You can leave. Don't expect anything but honesty in my review of your performance.
Right. Sure, hold on.
Tama to masudip sa kaklo na naman. Nakita ko yung show. Kasi nitalasyon na yun.
You're done here, Mr. Park. Thank you and goodbye.
You need
Bye.
to exit the room, sir.
See you tomorrow. Have fun. Kasi ito. What's up? I'm back. Sirpi. Anak ko sa ngira. Inunursan na siya. Sa ko sa ngira kanubisima sa kakto. Tapos sana wala si Tama. Tipi sa kakto.
Somebody's been telling stories outside of class.
On the floor! Down! Hands where I can see them!
Mr. Wayland Park, Consulting Contract 8208. Software engineer with a level 3 security clearance. Graduated cum laude from Berkeley, but still somehow not smart enough to realize that the last thing a fly ought to do in a spider's web is wiggle. Somehow dumb enough to think that a borrowed laptop, onion router, and firewall patch would be enough to fool the world's leading supplier of biometric security. Stupid, Mr. Park. More than stupid. In fact, that was crazy. I'm afraid we're going to have you committed. Mr. Park, will you willingly submit to forced confinement? Did you hear that, Agent?
He said yes, Mr. Blair.
Great. Oh, and did I just hear Mr. Wayland Park volunteer for the morphogenic engine program?
Well, that's what I heard, Mr. Blair.
That was brave indeed, Wayland. The Murkoff Corporation and the onward march of science both appreciate your bravery and sacrifice. Maybe you could administer Mr. Park here a light anesthetic.
Gladly.
Sige ka?
I fucked up. Oh god, where am I? Hours could have passed. Or weeks. Brain filled with static. They made we watch the engine. Have to get help. Have to call for help. Lisa, I'm sorry. If I die, I know you'll find me. I know you won't rest until you find my body. I hope you find this camera with my corpse. I hope the evidence on it does what I couldn't, exposes the truth. Lisa, baby, I'm so sorry. I fucked up. I thought I was doing the right thing, but I fucked up bad.
Madonna bacana. Mom, but you're in the reaction too.
Wallflower, pretty flower. Fucking, I'll open you up. Open you up and show you. Make you fur. You wait right there.
There goes.
Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! You! No service! Coming in! That was good.
Ready ako na nga. Battery kaks. Masa may battery kaks yung minasak ko nga. Ding. Ding. I goes. Battery kaks, yay! Ina mo ako mga resource eh. Kukuha ko na nito. Saka ko na nito. Battery na rin nisigis na ginatong niyang. Kukuha ko na nito kanon natutuin na. Hello.
Tom, come to join our therapy session. Here, take the blade. Keep it rounding our friend here. Get a little red on your hands. It's always healthy to express yourself. You keep it bottled up too long and you might do something you regret. No. You're one of those. Too good for the likes of us. Think you're different? Something special? There are no observers here. Now, get the fuck out of here before I change my mind.
There goes. Well, looks spike. There's yeah.
Where the fuck are you trying to go?
Son of a bitch.
Come back here!
Some reason. Okay.
Bad idea. We get out of here through reception and let Merc Tactical clean it up.
If they get here in time. We need help now. If we get them on the radio, the National Guard could be here with it.
We don't even know the radio works.
It's shortwave. If the prison's got electricity, they've got signal, and the lights are on.
Murkoff has it under control.
Yeah, I noticed. We need to get to that radio.
Outside help doesn't come without outside attention. You want responsibility for every legally shaky thing you did on the Murkoff Company payroll? I know I don't.
It's too late to worry about that. This just has to stop.
You're scared. You're not thinking straight. Let me make something clear. You try to radio outside for help. I'm gonna give you a whole new something to be scared of.
Are you threatening me? Yes.
There's a radio in the prison. Shortwave. If it's electronic, I can make it talk, make it work for me. There's hope, Lisa. I'm coming home to you. My mistake was subtlety, like you always said. I thought leaking information to a few journalists was the safer way. I didn't want the spotlight, the attention. Murkoff is dangerous, I know that. I thought I had to be subtle for your sake, Lisa, for the boys. But I should have exposed what Murkoff is doing to the world. I should have shouted to anyone and everyone. I can't die. Not before I reach the radio. They can't cover this up now. It's too broken, too dangerous.
Ayun na nun. Ay. I'm stupid alien. Continue game. Marami siyang senang. What's up? Ayaw mo, gang? Tagos? Bato kayo? Kamaswa kariyan at sa oklo naman ispilok taka sa Outlast. Ito nga? Chukul! One.
Help me, please. I'm a doctor. You can hold my... You're security. I'm a patient like you. Stole these clothes from a dead body I found. You gotta get me out of here, please. Just push the button. Open the door.
I'd never seen a man die before today. Never seen a dead body outside of a coffin. Dozens today, murdered and worse. I looked into one man's eyes as another tore him to pieces. Claimed he was a doctor, then saw the rags they've dressed me in and changed his story. Said he was a patient. Could have been either. They're all crazy. All sick. No real difference between them now. The therapy is spreading. And what am I? I watched this man die and only thought, it's not me, thank God. I know I'll die someday. I don't want to be murdered.
Tokongan! Kaninang mga na misi tinga doktor o nga ngitak. Mahaben. Makimaniak si mo wanda sa bunga. Jinis siya. Bagus.
Another one's coming!
Ako ni Pokpasyoin. Magkakasangak dyan.
You may receive requests for information from a Mrs. Lisa Park of Leadville, Colorado, in the coming weeks concerning the resignation and hospitalization of her husband, Waylon. If so, please forward them to my personal attention. Waylon Park, former consulting contract 8208, resigned due to previously undiagnosed mental illness. I personally visited Mrs. Lisa Park and her sons and broke the news to them, with the silver lining that Murkoff Psychiatric would be graciously providing treatment. Mrs. Park had some less than charitable things to say about myself and the Murkoff Corporation. I assured her that with her power of attorney she could try to fight the doctor's diagnoses of her husband's illness. However, if it were discovered that he resigned under false pretenses, his insurance would be cancelled and the family would be saddled with not insignificant healthcare debts. Hopefully she understood, but if she insists on making a nuisance of herself or tries to get around me, please let me know. This is one I want to take care of personally. Yours, Jeremy Blair.
Ang ganda kasi mong kakpisa. Spillera komisyon niyo. Aba. 비밀이야 돌았다고 했어. 저기 각성을 밀어야. 또 뭐 좋아? La 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 la, kasama go away.
Don't you look at us. I love him.
Don't ask to see my body, Lisa. When I die, when you finish the lawsuits that let you pry this footage from Murkoff's army of lawyers and corporate hitmen, don't make them show you my body. Just bury it, or burn it. Let my sons remember me whole. That man is eating human flesh. He looks at me and I see anger, a little desire, but more than anything, hunger. Please don't make them show you my body.
Kamang ratan na siya karuwi. At saan ko nga rawak pa siya kamang. Dava.
I think it's safe. Can you climb up? I'm coming, Cooper! I just have to lock the... There. I'm coming! Hold on!
Zinging. missione tungo spillon ko. Ba? Nangiraw na kutisya ka na biso ka sa nakso na kapang ginawa mo kay masa nakso. O'clock pa me! Oh, big. There goes. Wah, mukhang deh. Halo.
Just a moment. I just need to. Silky. You look so silky. Just let me. I need to tell you. I want to help you.
Thank you.
Let me just. I need to tell you a secret.
Yeah?
Oh, I have an ex. Don't be scared.
I'm not scared.
You ex. You look like you have an ex. Are you my friend?
Yeah. Why not?
Just for a moment. I just need to. Silky. You look so silky. Just let me. I need to tell you.
Yes?
I want to.
Of course. Of course.
Let me just. I need to tell you. I have an ex.
Relax, friend. Relax, friend.
Just for a moment. I just need to.
Bakit masayawin na?
Form note, all material herein to be transcribed according to Form 4083, with forensic revisions as benefits ongoing lawsuit. Author, Ethan Sriskandaraha notes, this is a request for specific legal consultation in the ongoing lawsuit by Melissa Cho against Murkoff Charitable Psychiatry Inc., USA, originally filed in 2010. At the time of Ms. Cho's termination, the psychosomatic effects of the morphogenic engine on female employees and patients had been well established. Already more than 7 female employees and patients had reached fictitious half-term pregnancies in a matter of weeks before miscarrying the non-existent children. 5 of them fatally. Female employees were moved to higher floors in the facility, then to other buildings, and eventually entirely off of the Mount Massive facility. The critical secrecy of Project WALRIDER necessitated secrecy in the motivating factor pressure for the reassignments and terminations, resulting in perceived injustice from several terminated parties. Ms. Cho has succeeded in acquiring a court-ordered FOIA release of the documents surrounding her termination. Those documents will need to be generated and post-dated, providing ameliorating information while skirting the relevant secrecies of the project. Please advise.
Where are you, son of a bitch? Why, son of a bitch? Ah. Marunong miss yung kanangan ni Pitusang. Ako jisa hadasin na ukuna.
The meat is mine. You stay there and cook.
Yep. Suave. So naksuiruaro. You are mine. Kinsa pa nakin. Yep. Kaman er kakta kaya kaswa. Kayo ka para sa kahpi. No. Come on.
Father Clark, far be it from me to lie to a man of God, so let me at least say that I will do my personal best to improve the safety of your working conditions. I and the rest of the staff truly appreciate everything you do for our patients, and if you feel threatened by anybody in particular, simply let us know and we can either increase chemical restraints, or administer a lobotomy or similar calming procedure. Don't underestimate the contribution your sermons offer our patients, especially considering the depth and necessarily chaotic nature of hypnotherapy. Our patients need the bedrocks of God and family. Not all of our poor unfortunates have families to call upon, and so the burden and calling is yours. We are all of us relying on your faith and hard work.
Nice. Ang makaragayap pa nga. Ani des. Rachingo, sinachingo, sukuna, atachingo. Ay, sige siya kang ganda ba ta, Corte? Rồi một sinh lần nữa đây rồi. Hasok siya sa unalime. Agad namin puto chikoy. Ayaw-ayawan. 있으면 진짜 똑같죠. 아 저기 스튜디오 똑같네요. 나봐. 뭐? Shade baka 어쩌간 ginawa show na haba man na ba Sure, no.
I told you it would be open. I can't open, Graham. We're almost out.
Okay. Hey! Sinisa kang ginagan! Jangan. Sok-sok ikan. Ano teko kaksin na ba? Ano pa cari kaks? Sumuna si Pivot? Radyo ang kay Mapis siya eh. Wala plan na kasi magkulog. Watching ko. Ayun na. Dibitok sur. Còn con số phải chơi đi Hey!
Shut down the gas! Please! I
Tat. Ini teman ini karau man. Hey! Not big! Ada sure. Udah kayak mafia sakit toyo muna kuha. Ito. Si. Isok piano kay mao mata kung ay matoma. I can hear you. My gosh. Siapa? Only hi. I like jump scares.
Therapy status, minimal morphogenic engine activity, and only at extreme, stages 5 and 6, levels of hormone therapy. Dream states return repeatedly to images of isolation and betrayal. 0 lucid state. Diagnostics, heavy bronchial accumulation consistent with patients with histories of tobacco and marijuana. Exceptionally low REM activity. Interview notes. At the time of this interview, Frank was down to 155 pounds from his admission weight rate of 228. He was lethargic and largely non-responsive, exhibiting interest only in the hypnotherapy script pattern 9, Wernick, concerning drinking blood from the chest of sleeping men. He continues to refuse baths or the attention of a barber outside of general anesthesia, stating, "If I cannot partake, I cannot share. Recommend forced nutrition for Mr. Manera if we cannot find something he likes to eat." Murkoff Psychiatric Systems Project WALRIDER Mount Massive CO.
Son of a bitch!
Go away! This is my place.
Gusto mo na inisisi sumakit.
Fuck off!
Palakos. Okay, next. Sure, inisisi sumakit. Patuloy na ka. Goes. Chiki. Selfless. Mangan. Agos! Chichi sa kanta ko yung wah. Masuchin ko kaya magpindakan yun. Meron na yung mag-islit sa reaksyon ko na naktarak po kasi kung nasinas ng pwede sinaksak sa masista masibay. Terus yung tekos. Bye bye!